Hello guys, Dugam Gaming here, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the first layer. And we will begin on the cross. If you don't know how to do the cross yet, check out the link on the description. I have a tutorial for that. So, first, let's deal with the white corners of the cross. If you notice that the white is facing sideways, do this. Do this. Nice. So the first corner is accomplished. Let's continue this. Ooh, there. Let us now solve the white, green, and orange corner. If you notice that the white is facing sideways, do this. And now two left. Do this again, sideways. Now this case is not sideways, it's upwards. If you notice it's upwards, follow this. Follow this. U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, and R prime. That solves the first layer.